Hey guys, welcome back. Last time we unboxed the NVIDIA DGX Spark, the tiniest AI supercomputer on earth. But this machine is not just for AI. This is your daily driver too. So you just can't say that this machine is only for AI. We are turning this beast into a real useful computer for everyday work. So in this series, we are going to install 25 plus must-have application across 10 categories. Our objective is to set up Spark as a daily computer and an AI data center. Now, because this is the very first video in this series, we will start with the very simple apps. I'm going to cover 3 different apps in one category to start with. And this category is taking a screenshot. So let's dive in. Now, I take a screenshot every 10 minutes for one reason or another. It's a habit now. Good news is Spark already has a screenshot tool built in because it's an Ubuntu based system. So how to access that? What do you need to do? Open Apps menu, go to Utilities. You'll find a screenshot application over there. You have a choice. You can right click on it and pin to dash. This will create a shortcut on your desktop. Another very quick way to launch this screenshot application is open a terminal window using Ctrl-Alt-T and type screenshot. Now if this doesn't launch, just try gnome-screenshot. Now you may find it very inconvenient to type your application name and launch it like this from a terminal window. It seems very inconvenient, but it's extremely important that you know how to launch it from terminal, because this information comes very handy when you want to set up your shortcuts. Now, I assume that you don't want to open your terminal window, write this command every time you want to launch an app. Good news is Ubuntu is one of the greatest OS when it comes to managing shortcut. So go to your settings, keyboard, view, and customize shortcuts. And here you will see screenshots. Now, keep in mind, for all other applications, you can create custom shortcuts. So you can also review the shortcut settings and you can always create your new custom shortcuts. You might have noticed that taking a screenshot from a simple screenshot app is quite inconvenient. What if you want to annotate it? So obviously there are better options available. So now let's go to app category one more time and I'm going to search for, say, Shutter. Now by default in Ubuntu there are two different very great apps, Flameshot and Shutter. So here I'm going to choose, you can choose any of those. Both are very much similar and depends on your taste. So I already have the Flameshot already installed. Otherwise, once you click on Flameshot, it gives you an option to install it. Okay. So now I assume at this point you already have the Flameshot installed. So go back to your terminal window and type Flameshot. So it may not work because you have to type another command saying Flameshot GUI, G-U-I. And as you can see, as soon as you click that, it provides you an option that you want to take a section of the screen which you want to take the screenshot, and it gives you a great quality, a great number of annotation tools. So for example, you can scrub through it, you can highlight it, you can change the color, you can put text to it, you can draw arrows or different kind of shapes. So it's not like actually, it's not one of the greatest, but it gets the job done. It's very similar to the, Shutter. So here you can type the text. As you can see, it provides all the meaningful info, whatever you want to do, the annotation kind of thing you want to do on a screenshot. You can do all of those things in this Flameshot app. So once you're done, all you need to do, just click on the save and it will give you an option where you want to save it, including the file names. All right, that's pretty much it. So that's all it takes. So now again, remember, this is the Flameshot tool you already have installed. Now, you want to, remember you can always set up your custom shortcuts. So look, let's go back to your custom shortcuts, go to the keyboard and here go to the custom shortcut menu one more time. And instead, this time define the custom shortcuts. And as you can see, this is why I told you that it's very important to know how to launch an application from the terminal window. All right, so here as you can see, I'm going to create a new custom shortcut to launch an app, just say Flameshot. And here you type, how do you have launched it from the Ubuntu terminal. So in this case, I'm just going to say Flameshot GUI, and I'm going to create a shortcut, click add, done, save this, and I'm going to try this one more time. So I'm just going to hit Ctrl-Alt-S in my machine. As you can see, it immediately opens up